But did you know that the type of roofing material you have can make a huge difference in how well your home stands up to our weather? One of the best things you can do to stay empowered and safe as a homeowner is to do a visual inspection from the ground. Here are a few key things you should look for if your roof has recently weathered a storm, hail, or strong winds. We'll start with asphalt shingles since they are a popular choice for many homes. But they have some vulnerabilities, especially after a big storm. The first thing to look for after a big storm is missing or damaged shingles. High winds can rip shingles right off your roof, leaving it exposed to further damage. Missing, cracked, or curled shingles are all signs that your roof might need immediate attention. Here's what you should check on a metal roof to make sure it's still in top shape after Mother Nature throws her worst at it. The first thing to look for is dents and dings. Metal roofing can withstand a lot, but large hailstones or falling debris can still cause dents. While these might not cause immediate leaks, they can affect the look of your roof and potentially weaken the metal over time.